Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're going to be talking about how a crypto pre-sale project works. In other words, a crypto ICO. We're going to talk about the risks, the potential upside, and potential projects you could invest in today. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button down below. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at how crypto pre-sale projects work. We're seeing the crypto markets are pumping, and if you've been in crypto long enough, you definitely heard of crypto pre-sales. You may be a subscriber to this channel, and we talk about crypto pre-sales a whole lot on this channel, and you may be wondering, what are the risks? What are the upsides? How does this even work? Let's go ahead and take a look. Starting things off with a simple Google search is what I recommend all you guys do whenever you have a crypto question. It's great to come here on a video on a channel like this to watch a video, but sometimes you're gonna have questions in the space where there may not be content around. You can always comment down below to recommend us which content to make next, but let's go ahead and take a look. And then we're gonna go through some articles, and then we're gonna go through some projects as examples. So a crypto pre-sale is a fundraising event where cryptocurrency projects offer its token to investors at a discounted rate before the project's public listing on exchanges. Essentially, it's an early stage investment opportunity. Now, in plain, bare, simple words, it's basically a crypto project that is about to go live. They decide to quote unquote list early, in a sense, open their market to the public where you can buy in before actually going live on a centralized or decentralized exchange. It's a great way to buy in early to avoid facing volatility and taking advantage on rewards like staking and price hikes. As I'll actually show you guys an example. So in this case, we'll take a look at Salaxy crypto presale offering Solana layer 2 technology, the world's first Solana layer 2. We see the presales ending in just 20 days, and you need to buy at the special presale price. That's the price you see on the screen. When it goes live, the price is going to be higher than this, and incentivizes investors for investing in early, okay? We can also see if you buy in before the next 20 days, you can take advantage of the 98% staking rewards. So earning 98% on your money. That's also money that's not going to be volatile because it's currently in a flatline price, right? Because it's not live. That's one example of incentives. Another example could be a project like BTC Bull. As we see, there's a countdown timer for 11 hours, and this is not necessarily for when the project goes live, but this countdown timer is actually for when the next time they're going to increase the price. This basically means if I buy in today at this price, within the next 11 hours, the price is going to go up, meaning I'm already profiting on my investment before the project even goes live. Okay, so let's keep taking a look and we'll go back to more examples. So project development and white paper. Project team develops a technology, creates a white paper outlining the project's goals, and defines tokenomics, how the token will be distributed and used. And again, in every project I'll show you, they always have a tokenomics explaining how it goes about, what the supply will be, what the breakdown will be, exactly how much goes to rewards, how much will go to the development, to listing, and so on and so forth. Again, marketing is a big one. The more a project is marketed, obviously, the more eyes are going to be on the project and more money. Then a launchpad or platform. Sometimes they use launchpads, like you may have heard of like Pump Fund or Puppy Fund. That could be a form of a launchpad. But other marketing campaigns could be directly from their very own website. You could purchase crypto from any of these 3 crypto pre-sales, and any crypto pre-sale for that matter. That's a way they launch it. Investor participation. Investors connect their crypto wallets to the platform and purchase tokens using supported crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Okay, then discounted pricing. Like I told you, when you enter a pre-sale, you usually get a discounted price, a reward for being in early. Then token distribution. After the pre-sale, the tokens are either airdropped to investors' wallets or made available for claiming on their platform. So when a project goes live, like for example, if I buy Mind of Pep, I'm not going to see Mind of Pep tokens in my wallet today. When the project goes live, they'll either be a claim portal or they'll airdrop it to my wallet. I think for Mind of Pep specifically, you have to claim it yourself. Yeah, so you can view your tokens on both the buy widget when your wallet is connected to the website, or in the staking menu. If you bought through Best Wallet, you can view your tokens and balance on the wallet itself. You'll claim your tokens during the TGE and wait for the official announcement and launch date. And again, also advise when you buy into presale, go ahead and follow them on X. Right, whatever presale project you invest in, that way you're always up to date with how the claim could go about. And claim basically means when the project goes live, when the presale's over, that's how you claim it and get those tokens into your actual wallet. Then the potential future listings. Eventually, tokens are going to get listed on decentralized or centralized exchanges. This usually causes it for pumping benefits. And that's in a nutshell of how a crypto presale project works. Basically, a team comes up with a project in mind. They launch it as a presale where you can buy in early before it hits the public market. You get early investor rewards and sometimes get to take advantage of buying into a project early. Now, we covered what a presale is, how Presale works, the benefits like discount prices, early access, but what about the pitfalls and the downfalls? As obviously there's going to be risk attached to it. So essentially with any crypto presale project, you want to be careful and research the right project. You don't just want to dump your money in the wrong project. You need to make sure that the project you're investing in is the right one for you and it's not necessarily a scam project. So always following a good source. Again, like a channel like us, if you trust us, you can follow our information. It's also news articles and outlets you could check on. So make sure you find a credible source before obviously picking your presale. Now, some other potential risks is high volatility. Crypto presale, like other currencies, can face extreme price swings leading to significant losses. Always invest carefully and diversify your portfolio. Now, in case of a crypto presale project that's heavily hyped, you may want to be careful because when it goes launches, it might build momentum and you might want to start taking some profits before it takes a significant price correction. Regular changes, shifting regulations can impact the visibility of a project and its ability to operate. Now, again, I haven't personally faced any issues like this. It's kind of reaching there, but hey, it's something to obviously consider. Project failure. Some projects may fail to deliver their promises, potentially leading to total loss of your investment. This more or less is a nice way of saying a scam or a fraud. They just set up shop, they invested a whole lot of money, and then they close up shop. That's why you always want to find a reputable source and ideally a project that has an audit, right? We can see in terms of Mind of Pep, they have an audit. 2 audits for trust and safety. Salaxy, I believe Salaxy also has an audit with Solidity. But usually on the website itself, you'll be able to find if the project has an audit or not, which just builds more trust and credibility. Obviously, you'll be aware for frauds and scams. And then liquidity problems. Some tokens may face low liquidity after their sale, making it difficult to sell them in the market. If the project doesn't raise enough liquidity, obviously it could be an issue because your tokens may be worth X amount of dollars, but there's no liquidity, you're not gonna be able to fill your order. So that's different things you should definitely consider when investing in a crypto presale project. Now, I briefly showed you guys 3 different presale projects. Before I close the video, I'm going to showcase why each of these could be very interesting in its own way. Starting off with the Mind of Pet. This one's an AI agent project. So essentially, holders get access to real-time intelligence, which basically means that AI agents going to scour the web, gather information, spot trends early, and deliver them to holders of Mind of Pet. So again, would be considered a utility/AI play. Again, pretty solid narrative. They've raised over $10.5 million. They've been featured in a ton of different reputable sources in the crypto space, and they have 2 audits making it look like a safe investment. We're seeing a bit of whale activity, which is good, shows investor confidence. So, and also they're offering a 290% stake in reward that you can take advantage of. If you want to buy this one, I'll link in the description below. The other one we were covering was Salaxy. Now this one's a full utility play as they bring a layer 2 technology to Solana. Layer 2 technology that basically amplifies speed and makes a project better. In Solana's case, it's a smaller ecosystem, so having a layer 2 technology will help deliver epic customizations, efficiency and performance, help with network congestion, failed transactions, and scalability limitations while amplifying the ecosystem of Solana. Again, this one raised just under $41 million. Again, you can buy the crypto or card directly from the website. And the last and final meme coin presale is BTC Bull. Now this one is just a pure meme coin. There's no real utility, like there's no AI agent, there's no L2 technology. It's just a meme at its heart. The utility this project offers, which some projects do and some projects quite frankly will have no utility, but this one offers the utility of a free Bitcoin airdrop. So again, you get to be a part of a community, BTC Bull meme coin, plus you get some Bitcoin airdrop to you. Again, this one's in earlier stages. So again, they're still getting their countdowns, which basically means you buy at a cheaper price before it goes live. So again, another one you can take advantage of, and I'll link in the description below for your convenience. But guys, remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And that wraps up the video. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.